Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are coming across an error message on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer when attempting to adjust settings that it shows that some settings aren't available in high contrast mode. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select accessibility. On right side select contrast themes, and in contract themes click on this drop down. If you have it currently set to one of the various high contrast theme in your computer, you just need to select the none option and select apply for save changes. And now after doing this, select the contracts that you were previously using, and hopefully your problem is solved guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.